Today, we're shining a light on Cooprativa, a remarkable creative agency based in Portugal that's redefining how communication and design come together. With a foundation built on collaboration, clarity, and effectiveness, Cooprativa offers a full spectrum of creative services, from branding and web development to content creation, social media management, advertising, and strategic communication. They describe their approach as zero para, muita uva, a nod to their roots in the wine region of Torres Vedras and a metaphor for their no-fluff, all-substance way of doing things. Founded in 2023 by André Sousa Moreira, Tiago Miguel Pimenta, and Simão Dias, Cooprativa quickly emerged as a standout force in Portugal's creative industry. The founders brought with them deep experience across design, marketing, advertising, and strategy. Each of them had worked on national and global campaigns, held leadership roles at top agencies, or run their own businesses. That wealth of background gave Cooprativa a distinctive voice from the beginning: strategic, refined, and always grounded in results. What makes Cooprativa unique is its ability to integrate multiple creative disciplines under one roof. They aren't just designers or strategists or developers. They're all of those things. Their team works across branding, graphic design, packaging, web and UX/UI development, editorial content, video production, social media, and digital advertising. Because of this breadth, they're able to craft fully unified experiences for the brands they work with. No disjointed visuals, no inconsistent messaging. Everything aligns, everything connects. One of the agency's guiding principles is collaboration. True to their name, Cooprativa operates like a cooperative. Their signature working model, referred to internally as the processo, invites clients to participate from day one. It's a co-creation method that ensures every solution is tailored, meaningful, and deeply informed by real insight. This collaborative approach results in faster project delivery, clearer creative alignment, and stronger long-term client relationships. In just a short time since launching, Cooprativa has worked with over 100 brands, both in Portugal and internationally. From major names in telecom, food and beverage, automotive and education, to regional initiatives and NGOs, they've developed solutions that span identities, campaigns, websites, packaging, and more. Their portfolio reflects not only visual diversity, but strategic consistency, the kind that turns creative assets into actual business growth. Their branding work is particularly noteworthy. Whether creating logos, packaging systems, editorial layouts, or environmental signage, Cooprativa applies design thinking to express a brand's true purpose. They don't just make things look good, they make them feel right. Projects across industries have shown how effective their method is. Clear visual systems that scale across media, storytelling that resonates, and aesthetics that support substance. Their digital capabilities are just as strong. The agency designs and develops websites that are responsive, intuitive, and visually aligned with a brand's identity. Whether it's a WordPress-based site or a custom platform, every web project is treated as a strategic opportunity, not just a digital placeholder. They pay close attention to usability, performance, and storytelling, turning websites into powerful brand tools. From UX and UI design to e-commerce builds, every digital experience is crafted to deliver real value. Social media management is another area where Cooprativa excels. Their team doesn't just post content, they build engagement strategies. With a mix of copywriting, photography, video, illustration, and scheduling, they manage the online presence of brands with precision and creativity. Their work on social platforms stays consistent with a brand's visual and verbal tone, while adapting content to the unique strengths of each channel. The agency is also known for its advertising and campaign work. They conceptualize, design, and activate campaigns across digital and traditional formats. Social media, television, guerrilla marketing, and more. These campaigns are never generic. Instead, they're bold, purpose-driven, and designed to stand out. Their creative thinking combined with real-world insight results in ads that don't just get seen, they get remembered. Beyond execution, Cooprativa provides strategic guidance to help brands navigate change, enter new markets, or evolve their identity. Their team supports positioning, messaging, communication planning, and long-term brand building. This strategic backbone ensures every visual and verbal element works in harmony to serve a brand's goals. At the heart of everything Cooprativa does is a belief in substance. The team places real value on thoughtful, purpose-led work that delivers results. Their slogan isn't just clever, it's a commitment to avoid superficial work and instead focus on what actually matters. Clients know they're working with an agency that cares as much about the why as the how. The culture at Cooprativa also deserves a spotlight. Based in Torres Vedras with additional presence in Lisbon, the agency draws inspiration from its surroundings while maintaining a global outlook. Their work environment is collaborative, energizing, and built on mutual respect. This foundation shows up in the way they interact with clients, the way they approach deadlines, and the consistency of their creative output. Being slightly outside the traditional Lisbon agency bubble has given them freedom to do things differently and better. The team at Cooprativa remains intentionally small and nimble. That allows them to respond quickly, work closely with clients, and maintain high creative standards. Each team member wears multiple hats, contributing across disciplines with agility. Yet despite their size, they consistently deliver at the level of much larger agencies. Thanks to a streamlined process and a focused vision, recognition for their work has come quickly. The agency has been highlighted by several creative industry platforms and has earned stellar reviews from clients for its responsiveness, professionalism, and ability to exceed expectations. But even more important than awards or listings is the reputation they've built for trust and results. Clients come back, refer others, and collaborate over the long term, a testament to the quality of Cooprativa's work and the character of its team. Looking across their portfolio, a few consistent patterns emerge. First, they listen deeply. Before diving into creative, they spend time understanding the brand, the audience, the business challenge. Second, they simplify complexity. Whether through clean design, clever copy, or streamlined user journeys, they help brands communicate clearly. And third, they execute with care. Every detail, from typography to motion graphics to campaign rollout, is handled with intention. Some of the sectors they've impacted most include food and beverage, education, public service, retail, technology, and non-profits. They've built identities for wine producers and engineering firms alike. They've designed packaging that leaps off shelves and social campaigns that spark engagement. They've helped public initiatives communicate with clarity and created digital ecosystems that serve users seamlessly. Perhaps what stands out most is how versatile and grounded their work is. They can do bold, they can do elegant, they can do playful or professional or activist, but always they do it with coherence and purpose. That's why Cooprativa is fast becoming a go-to creative partner, not just in Portugal, but in wider markets as well. So, for any business, whether a startup looking to launch with impact or an established brand ready for reinvention, Cooprativa offers something rare. A full-service agency that's small enough to care deeply, but skilled enough to deliver big. They combine insight, craft, and strategy in a way that brings real, measurable value to their clients. In today's saturated market, where brands compete not just for attention, but for trust and relevance, having a partner like Cooprativa can be transformative. They don't just make things look good, they make them work. Their branding builds identity. Their campaigns create connection. Their websites enhance credibility. Their strategies drive growth. This is an agency for businesses that want to move forward with intention, who want creative that's grounded in understanding and elevated by talent. And in every project, big or small, Cooprativa brings the same commitment. Zero pare, muita uve. It's more than a tagline. It's a way of working, a promise of clarity, cooperation, and creativity with purpose.